Experienced elementary school principals. We guarantee at least 80% of your students will be reading on grade level within 3 years, or will work for free until they are. So, essentially, we guarantee you 3 key results. First, we equip teachers to lead from within, because the truth is, a lot of passionate educators walk into classrooms without understanding their own triggers, leadership style, or personal values. And when you're not rooted in self-awareness, managing a classroom feels reactive, inconsistent, and draining. When we strengthen leadership from the inside out, teachers lead their classrooms with calm, clarity, and confidence, and students follow. Second, we train teachers to become trust catalysts, because without trust between teachers, students, and parents, even the best lesson plans fall flat. Right now, that trust is broken in too many urban schools, and it's blocking engagement and progress. When teachers become trust catalysts, they transform resistance into cooperation and open the door for real learning to happen. And third, we teach educators how to create a culture of care inside their classrooms, because if students don't see themselves as allies, they become each other's biggest distractions. And when peer relationships break down, we lose instructional time minute by minute, day after day. But when teachers build a culture of care, students start protecting the learning environment right alongside their teacher, and everybody wins. And we stand behind it. We guarantee that 80% or more of students will be reading on grade level within 3 years, or we'll continue working with you for free until we meet this goal. And you might be wondering, how can we make a guarantee that strong? Well, it's because we don't guess. We know. For over 30 years, we've worked alongside principals, teachers, and parents using the same foundational insights and tools. And the results? 100% of participants say that if we want to see students thrive, this is exactly what we need. So this isn't theory, it's the missing piece. So if you want more information on how all this works, click the ad and schedule a 15-minute session. We'll break everything down for you. And as I mentioned, if we don't get 80% on grade level within 3 years, you don't pay until we do. So we have no incentive to pressure you into anything you don't want to do. Sound good? Then click this ad, go to the next page and schedule your 15-minute session.